Hi, all you lovely people. Welcome to my weekly cider happy hour review, whatever. So this week I had someone else choose which cider I should review, just to, mix things up a little bit. And this one was chosen. Never had it, I don't think I've had anything from this particular brand, which appears to be called Dee's Wicked Cider Company. It is crafted in the Pacific Northwest, so that's cool. And it's 6.9% ABV, and it says this baby is our one-of-a-kind first flavor, the original rump shaker. Flavors of apple pie are delivered to your taste buds in this liquid yumminess. Be prepared for your first cider-gasm. Okay then. And it's, I don't know if I mentioned this, it's baked apple is the flavor. Yeah, let's find out how this tastes, shall we? Today I am trying this in a OMSI After Dark Cider Fest cup, because I thought it'd be fun to use the different, cups and glasses that I've gotten at various cider events for this cider tasting, series. Okay. Ooh, sorry, there's a piece of hair on the lid, probably from a cat, but okay. So I'm going to. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like apple pie. So hopefully I can actually get it in here without making too much of a mess. Okay. Yeah, that just smells really good. You're getting the cinnamon sort of, apple pie spices. That's what's hitting me first, nose-wise. So it really does smell like an apple pie in a can. So we'll see if it tastes like that. Oh man, that's good. That is delicious. Wow, that's really good. I will say it is 6.9, but you can't tell. The flavors are so good. Cause like some ciders are very high ABV. I just had one like 2 weeks ago that was like 9%, and you could tell when you drank it. Like you could taste that. This one, 6.9 is relatively high for a cider, and this one just tastes so good. You could drink so much of this and it would be terrible. But unless, you're staying at home, in which case go for it. But anyway, this is really good. I am incredibly impressed by this company. And hopefully, they stick around and make more good stuff like this. Okay, it looks like they're in Sun River. There's Sun River Vintners doing business as Dee's Wicked Cider Company. Oh, it's produced and bottled, but they're in Kennewick, Washington. So, deeswickedciderco.com. Okay, well anyway, which is kind of funny because I just went to Sun River for the first time ever last year. So, but anyway, I highly recommend this cider. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you've ever tasted this, if what your favorite cider is, what ciders you'd like me to try on this special series. Anything you want, you can comment, honestly. It's totally up to you, and please, follow, subscribe, like. Couldn't do this without you guys, and cheers.